Oil just crossed $100 a barrel. Wars are breaking out in the Middle East. Inflation is slowly creeping back up. And while most people are watching their portfolios bleed, the smartest money are investing their money quietly into one asset: gold. Gold has been a store of wealth for thousands of years, but in 2026 it's becoming the most powerful trading opportunity available for retail traders like me and you. Hedge funds, central banks, sovereign wealth funds, when the world gets uncertain, they invest their money into one asset. They all run to gold. When the big money moves, price follows. And right now, they're buying gold at a record level. In this video, I'll show you that history repeats itself. I'll show you a pattern that appeared in the markets almost 3 years in a row. And why everything is happening right now is setting up for a major move that's about to happen on gold. And exactly how you can position yourself before gold hits 10,000 and you can walk out a millionaire. Now pay attention, because this could change the way you trade forever.
I do better in bad markets. I buy things in bad markets. And you can't do that in a great economy. You can't buy it. Either you're going to buy it very expensively or not be able to buy it at all. So there's a lot of opportunity, I find, in the bad times.
You just heard it there yourself. That was our world leader, Donald Trump. This is what he mentioned. You might agree with his politics or you might not, but as a trader, you should definitely take this serious. When the leader of the largest economy in the world says that he thrives in bad markets, that's not a sign, that's a signal. Markets don't like uncertainty, markets don't like volatility, but gold loves it. So this is our chance to capitalize. History repeats itself. You heard it there from our president, Donald Trump. There's proof in this as well too. The markets is going to show that it's been happening as well. Price doesn't lie. Here's some of the previous trades that I caught in the past off of just market sentiment. That's just off of asset sentiment, off things that's been happening over the course of multiple years. These things aren't coincidences, people. But how can we capitalize? Let's dive into it. It's crazy because this move happened in the past. This what, 2020? This 2025 right now. And if I'm not mistaken, this 24. So this around the same time this March 2024, this March 2025. So you can see same thing right here for REMA. Price hit an all-time high right here. Boom, price hit an all-time high right here. And it shot up to the moon, So it's pretty much the same thing that happened last year. That's what I'm anticipating to happen this year again. So let's see. Hey, y'all gonna say I'm faking it, but hey, I called it on the story. You know, I told you, hey, look, listen, me and Chat, we ate. The proof is in the pudding. This was live proof. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's in the proof, you know? Now, granted, what I just showed you, does it look the same every single year? No, I could completely understand that. It's not a coincidence. These things don't just happen. The markets is showing it. One of the beauties of trading years on end is you essentially see the same patterns in the markets appear over and over and over and over again. So this is not a coincidence. This is not something that just happened on accident. Traders, we need to prepare. It's something big that's about to happen, and now we have the opportunity because the current state of gold right now. It's happened. 2023, it's happened. 2024, it's happened. 2025, now it's happening. 2026, the current year that we're in right now. Before we hit 10,000, gold has had one of the biggest drops that it had of the year. And it's something that happens essentially almost routinely, right? So we got to trade gold with more precision, with more asset sentiment. These are things that courses can teach, and these are things that happen years on end when you're trading for years on end. So we have to prepare ourselves, people, as far as traders. This is a big opportunity for us traders right now. This is almost like getting in on Bitcoin early, right? Gold is the asset that could definitely set us free, but we have to prepare ourselves in the correct manner. Now that we've covered all that, we've touched on different topics. How do we capitalize off this as traders? Well, step number one to capitalize off of this next move is to start trading. And if you aren't already trading, start today. And what you should start trading is definitely gold. If you are trading already and you're trading other assets, start trading gold. Gold is the best asset right now. It is the asset with the most opportunity currently right now. This is where the money is going. This is where the money is flowing. we need to be investing in gold. If you want more gold breakdowns and you want to learn how to trade gold and trade it better, drop a comment down below in the descriptions. I do breakdowns. We can help you, and we could definitely make more videos on it. Number 2, how to capitalize on gold before it hits 10,000, and hopefully we could walk out millionaires. You need to start trading on a higher time frame and working your way down. You got to start thinking like an investor and not like a day trader. Think of more of the long-term game versus the short-term game. Short-term game is you make money now, cool, but we're in it for the long run, right? This is almost like catching gold when Bitcoin was cheap. That's currently gold right now. It's a real asset, it's a real index. The big money isn't paying attention to the 5-minute chart. You shouldn't be either. We just showed you years of data. That's what they're doing. They're looking at years of data. Trump said this in 2012, and the current state that we're in right now in the economy is the same things that's happening in the past. Right, so history repeats itself, and history isn't something that's 5 minutes. It's something that's very long term. Pay attention to the higher time frame. Number 3, have some capital reserve. Don't spend your profits. Reinvest them and stack them. Every winning trade is essentially your gateway to getting to the next level. Your capital is what allows you to play the game. And as your capital goes down, as you keep withdrawing, you're right back at the same state. Your capital is your leverage, right? So as you keep withdrawing and withdrawing, you're essentially removing your leverage out of the game. Your capital is what you will utilize to build wealth. Right now, guys, we're currently witnessing history. This is something that we've never seen before. Hedge funds are anticipating for gold to hit 10,000. Big investors are currently anticipating for gold to hit 10,000. We need to be bootstrap ready. We have to have our capital reserved, and we need to be reinvesting our profits right back into the markets to build us more wealth. That's how we're gonna hit that multi-million in 2026 with trading gold. Everything I just showed you is things that are already happening and things that are happening right now. The wars, the oil prices, the politicals, the big money that's moving to gold. This isn't something that's coming. It's right now. We're preparing. We need to be ready. So now, when gold makes its next new all-time highs, the question you need to ask yourself is, will you be ready? Or will you be on the sideline? If you want weekly breakdowns on gold, my outlooks on gold, if you want real setups, if you want more trading education, comment down below and hit subscribe. The opportunity is right in front of you. Don't sleep on it. See you in the next one.